All right, y'all. Let's walk you through this process as quick as possible in case you're watching this out in the field last minute. I believe there are multiple applications out there for this purpose. The one I use is ALOF, or Air Data, as it recently changed to on my phone. I'll assume you have already done all the application install and setup with all of your relevant information, and from this point, you're ready to use at this point. What's the deal, everyone? I'm Jeremy Deal, and today's video is sponsored by virtualstaging.ai. Follow the link down below, sign up to their awesome services I use for client work every week. And that's all you're gonna hear about them in this video. Open up your Air Data application and navigate to the Airspace tab. From here, you'll be able to put in the address at the top bar, or you can use the map to physically navigate to the area you're looking for. Once you have your area selected, scroll down to where it shows if LAANC approval is available. As long as it's available for that area, you should be able to click the Start a Request button from here, and you can enter your purpose, either commercial or recreational. Also enter your start and end times of your flight, and of course the maximum height you'll be reaching. The maximum height they recommend will already be filled out for you. Once you're done there, click Next. It will give you all the information you just filled out up at the top to check over. All the rules and regulations you must follow will be listed below that as yellow notifications. As long as you agree to the terms of the flight, click Submit to the FAA. You'll either be approved or denied in just a few moments. Once you get that notification through the application, you will also receive an email with the information you submitted stating if you were accepted or denied. That's it. You've just applied for your LAANC approval. Catch you next time.